Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make your own Bluetooth speaker. Also this Bluetooth speaker will work as a power bank, and you can also connect this Bluetooth speaker with an AUX cable. So basically this is going to function both as a wired speaker and then wireless one, and also as a power bank. So this is basically a 3-in-1 project. So these are all the components which you are going to need, except the Bluetooth, except that 3-watt 4-ohm speaker, which I will show you later on in this video. So this is the 18650 battery. So these are approximately of 1500 mAh. So two of them will make 3000 mAh. The mAh written here is not true, it's a lie. And this is the passive radiator. So this significantly increases the performance of a speaker. And this is basically the Bluetooth board, and this is the PAM8403 board. The audio input will be connected to the audio output pins, and this is the 5V and 5V ground, and here also the 5V and 5V ground. These are the outputs for the left channel and the right channel. And this is the power bank circuit. So one micro USB in for charging these two batteries, and one out for charging any mobile phone or any other USB device. And here we have got two pins, 5V and ground. So this is basically the 5V and ground pins which will supply this board. So the 5V and ground pin are going to be connected here, and also to this Bluetooth board, and both the audios pins will be connected together, and also one AUX jack will be connected, and this is a resistance. So this will be basically connected to the LED, and this is a toggle switch for switching on and off the speaker. So this is the phone box which I am going to use. Sorry guys, I could not show you the drilling for the speaker and the passive radiator, but I will try my best to explain you the things. So this is the Micromax box, and the phone was once here. So let me to open this box. So as you can see, so basically here like the phone. So the thing was something like this, and when it was brand new, the phone was lying here. So what I have did is I have drilled two holes using my soldering iron. So as you can see, the holes are not at all perfect, but they looks pretty good because of the speakers. And then I screwed the speaker, and then what I did is I drilled another hole in the box, and then I fixed the passive radiator. So this is how you should paste the passive radiator. So I used Fevikwik for fixing the passive radiator, and this is how the passive radiator should work. And exactly in the same manner you should fix the passive radiator, and this should look something like this. This is how the speaker is going to look. So at the end of the video I am going to show you how the speaker looks and how is the sound quality. So let's get into work. So the next part of the video is about the circuit and its working. So after doing quite tests, so I figured out the ground, the left and the right pin of this 3.5mm female jack. So basically this is the 3.5mm jack which I have got from another circuit board of a speaker, of a old speaker. So this is, I have not purchased it, and no such circuit diagram was not available in the net. So what I figured out is that this is where you should put the 3.5mm jack from the phone, and this pin should be your ground pin. As you can see, I have marked the ground pin. So this is basically the ground pin. The first pin will be the ground pin, then the left, and then right. So this is how it should work, and also I will provide you the circuit diagram in the description. So after all, I will connect the whole of the thing according to the circuit diagram. So and then come back. So I just completed the whole project, basically the connection. So basically the current project is over. So the connection is looking a bit complicated, but it's not so. So here you can see this is the aux, port. So the 3 pins from the aux port are connected to the Bluetooth, and from that the Bluetooth connections are also connected to this PAM8403 board. So basically you can connect this speaker by aux or Bluetooth anyone, and this is the positive and this is the negative terminal. So the positive terminal is going to the positive terminal of the PAM8403 board and also of the Bluetooth board, and same here. The negative connections are going to both the PAM8403 and the Bluetooth board, and here is the switch. The connection of the switch is in that side, so I cannot show you probably. So there lies the connection of the switch. The connection of the switch is coming to this point, positive terminal, this here, and there is a resistance which is connecting to the LED, and here is the power bank circuit which I have showed you previously. The 5 volt is coming out from here and then coming here, and this is the last part, which is the speakers which are just connected to the PAM8403 board. So in the next part I am going to test this. So this is basically the last part of the video. In this part I am going to check whether the speaker is working properly or not, and also I am going to show you how is the sound quality. So the last change which I made was the power bank circuit. So I replaced with the 3 USB circuit and with a micro USB for charging, and this is what the circuit is. So it's now working quite great. So let's switch it on. So the speaker has been switched on and it has been connected to this phone's Bluetooth, because it was switched, the Bluetooth of this phone was switched on from previously. I am going to show you. So as you can see, this is the Ceratable 3D which has been connected, and now we are going to move to YouTube and check the sound quality. We are going to first of all put the volume down and then slowly raise it. So you can hear the sound quality is quite good at this range.